Love and light, everybody, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you to a beautiful spot down on the west side of Maui. I wanted to show you guys the beautiful natures that we have. Come along and enjoy this beautiful beach day with my lovely son and I. Take your time.
Hi, vines. Hey, I like about this beach because we swing.
There's a swing.
Yeah, right there.
Oh. Castle. What? It's stuck in there.
Let me get it out.
As I sit and watch the waves rushing in and flowing out, it reminds me of my emotions. Just as the waves, my emotions come and then they go again, reminding me that nothing lasts forever. Whatever you're going through, just understand that it's an emotion. Embrace the feeling, but then let it go. You are as powerful as the ocean. You are as deep as the ocean. You are as endless as the ocean. Look what we caught! A little baby crab.
Can I go show the other people? You got it here. I need my little bucket.
What?
Can I put the sun crab in my bucket?
Sure. He might crawl out though.
Sun crab in this bucket.
You got him?
Oh, shoot, came back out. There we go. No. No!
Put him in the bucket then. As I sit and I soak in all this beauty, all this endless opportunity, I just sit here and thank God for this creation. I love untouched nature, nature that is just presently made by God, by the divine. I encourage you to really meditate on this image. Ask yourself, what is it that you desire? What is it that your heart longs for? What is it that you crave? Embrace life. Embrace the Most High and all that beauty that is endless and at our disposal. Soak in nature. Understand that you are connected with it all. You and I, we are all one.
No, he's way too fast.
Motherhood has been such a blessing to me. To walk hand in hand with my own creation, to see my creation flourishing and thriving as his own independent being is such a joy, such a blessing to take in. Every waking free moment that I have, I love to cherish it with my son, to be in his arms, to view life through his eyes. He is my greatest creation, my greatest gift, my greatest blessing. I owe my life to him, and I owe my life to God. God is so good. Your thoughts become your reality. Your wants, your wishes, your needs become your wants and your desires. Ask yourself, what is it that you're asking for? What is it that your heart longs for? Do you wish to be free? Free your mind, and the rest will follow. I've always felt the freest in the ocean, in the river, in the forest, anywhere in nature. My soul is free, free without judgment, without expectation, without any worries. I feel safe. I feel secure. I am so happy to be able to teach my son how to embrace nature, how to heal himself through the elements of what the divine has given us, how to connect back to where we all come from. It's a beautiful thing to watch my son flourish in the same areas that I grew up. It's so beautiful to allow him to see such nature, such depth, such freedom. No money is needed. Time is an illusion. We can bond with each other and become one, like we were in the womb. It's such a joy and blessing to be able to see his life, envision him, how he's going to grow and thrive. I thank God for every moment. It's moments like these where I sit back and I really realize all the blessings that are around me. To operate in such a high frequency, connecting back to my home, to Atlantis.
Okay, are we going in? Time out. Time out. Hi, are you having fun?
All these vines and branches remind me of how we are all connected. Take time to look at a tree today.
Yeah, they're sea snails.
Do they bite?
No. They grip on though.
Oh, I almost chewed it up. I almost chewed it up.
Let's see. Sea snail. Shaka. Shaka.
Get me off of here, please.
Hold on. All right, everyone. So we just got done with the beach. How did you like the beach?
Love it!
Do you feel good?
Yeah!
Refreshed?
Yeah!
All right, so we just finished the beach. It was such a nice day. We got some ocean therapy. And now we're going to be heading to get some... What are you eating?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Shave ice.
Shave ice. Yummy. Here it comes. They're very pretty, aren't they?
Yeah. It looks like this one's going up, up, up. And it goes all the way up. Look.
Yeah. I love you. Hey, don't be looking like that. Having a good day?
Yeah.
All right.
All right, guys, so that concludes our beach day. We were so pooped and so tired that I could not end this video. I wanted to just say thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.